In today's video, I'll be teaching how to create a simple comparison video. Comparison video, just like what list data have been doing, uploading series of videos, super engaging. So if you want to learn how to create a data comparison video, you can go and make use of your PowerPoint. So if you once you click and you open your PowerPoint, you click on blank presentation. So once you click on blank presentation, you click on new slide. So once you click, sorry, there's an upcoming a previous project. So let's click on file, then new project. So now once you click on new project, you click on new slide. Then you come to this point and you click on blank. Now the first one, you hit delete. Now this is what we'll be working with today. So if you want to create a comparison video, first of all, you make use of your background color. You click on insert. Then you click on shapes. You make use of your rectangle. Then you now fill the background with this color. Now once you fill the background with this color, now you now think of what to design right now. This tutorial I'll be designing a comparison of the countries, various countries, and the numbers of active refineries. So if I want to design something like that, I'll first of all click on insert, click on this point, then I will now add a rectangle. So once I add a rectangle, I will make use of the fill color. I'll use this as my fill color. Now, I will make use of a hexagon. So I'll now draw a simple hexagon. Then I'll align it with this. Now this is my hexagon. Once I select the hexagon, I will make use of another field color too. So let's make use of this color. If you want to add basic shapes to the color, like border, you right click. Once you right click, you click on shape effect. Then you play around with the kind of effect you want. If it is shadow, that you want to add reflection, you play with whatever you want to do with it. If it is soft edge, you just click on it. So now once you're done with that, this point we now duplicate this and bring it below. Then this one too, we duplicate, Ctrl D, I will now bring it below as well. So now this is a simple comparison video. So at this point, I'll be using country, then probably I'll insert the country flag, then the title of my video, then the numbers of active refineries. So let me now input. So if you want to input text on this, you click on insert, you click on text box. So once you click on text box, you now drag it, take it to the direction you want. Then if you want to increase the front side, then you now type in whatever you want to do. So if you want to change the feed color, you can also change the feed color of this. Now this point, you click on insert, you click on text box, and you also include the text box here. So we now impute numbers of active refinery. So now the next thing we need to do right now is to impute our images. So if you want to insert your image, at the case PB, you want to insert your logo, the country logo, probably the flag, you click on insert, you click on picture, you click on this device. Then you now select your file. So once you click on active, so once you click on the file, you now impute the flags accordingly. You reduce the size of this flag. You reshape it to your taste. Now once you reshape it to your taste, now the whole of this, you hold the whole of this text. You can highlight all, then you duplicate it. You now drag. At this point, you Ctrl D to duplicate this. Then you adjust it. The other one too, you Ctrl D. Then you now adjust it. So now once you're done doing that, you now impute all the file to this location. So I'll be doing that now. So now once you're done doing all of that, and you now impute all your values here, you now highlight everything. You now Ctrl G to group it. So now once you're done grouping it, you highlight all these points, you now come to your animation, you click at this point. You now, once you click at this point, you now click at line. So now once you click at line, you also click at this point. You now click on from left to right. So this is the way in which you play with your animation. Then if you really want to improve the time, you click on the timing, then you now set the duration too. Then you click on preview. So this is the way in which you can be able to create a comparison video using PowerPoint. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to share if this video is helpful. Thank you.